Having opened up the app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Format Converter right here. Then right here is going to open up all the audio file you have on your phone. However, you can also come to folders right here, which means that you can upload audio from different folder you have on your internal phone storage right here. So go ahead and come back to all sections right here. So here we can select any types of audio. Let's say we will have AAC audio file. You can see this is AAC audio file. So for us to select the audio, we click on here to check on this. Then next thing you want to do is to click on next right here. Then it's going to import the audio right here. So here, this audio file here, we can convert from AAC to either MP3 or WAV or AAC or FLAC or OGG or M4A, Opus, 3GP, AMR, OGA. Let's say for instance, I want to convert this particular AAC to WAV. I will go ahead and click on WAV right here. Having select WAV, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on Convert. Now, in a few seconds, you have your file being converted to WAV right here. And go ahead and click on this play button right here to listen to the audio file. You can share the audio file. You can set it as ringtone. You can open in a folder. You can rename it as the case may be. You can also trim, match, boost volume, and other things right here. It's that simple. How do you get this particular app right here? I'm going to access from here. Then what you need to do is to go ahead and go to your Play Store. Having get to your Play Store, click on search, then come to search app and game and type in audio editor. Click on search and it's going to take you right here. Click on the first one right here, audio editor and music editor. Click on it and it's going to take you right here. So I have already downloaded and installed it and I'm enjoying the app. That's why I decided to share it with you guys. Next thing you want to do after you have successfully downloaded and installed, go ahead and click on open right here. Then it's going to take you to the app interface. So I'm going to go back right here. Then we have the interface right here from the home page right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this on how to use this particular app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.